Welcome to Alim's One, and in English to English vocabulary section, the word for today is bias. Bias. This word is used as a noun and as a verb both. When using as a verb, it means influence in an unfair way. Like we say, the umpire was biased, and that is why they lost the match. When we use the word bias as a noun, it means a partiality that prevents objective consideration of an issue or situation. A line or cut across a fabric that is not at right angles to a side of the fabric. The difference between the expectation value of an estimator and the true value. So the meaning of the word bias is influence in an unfair way. Please make a sentence or two and write it in the comment section so that you can retain it better. If you got any benefit from this video, then please like it and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Good luck.